Aloha, which means hello in Hawaiian language.
We are scientists and we are trying to find out how to predict when volcanoes will erupt so we can protect and save more lives. Volcanologists use several lines of evidence to try to predict when they will erupt. It is very tricky to tell if they need to evacuate a town.
Mauna Loa and Kilauea are the two most active volcanoes in Hawaii, but Kilauea is the most active on Earth. When Kilauea erupts, it sends rivers of lava flowing down the volcano.
Mauna Loa has been erupting for at least 700,000 years. The most recent eruption was between March 24th to April 15th, 1984.
At 33,476 feet tall, or 10,204 meters, Mauna Loa is one of the tallest volcanoes, but 18,000 feet is below sea level. The tallest volcanoes
He founded Hawaii with several other maps as his team.
Hawaii is actually obviously named after Hawaii, the Aloha state. They're fresh from the country.
Volcanic eruptions affect Hawaiian lives because they are most likely not repaired. And that's why we are still trying to predict volcanoes' eruptions.
Many animals are killed by lava flows. Plants are destroyed over a wide range during an eruption. Aquatic life can be affected by an increase of acid in the water.
Acid kills the fish, then other animals who eat those fish are affected by it too. Mauna Loa actually means long mountain in native Hawaiian language. As a scientist, we are trying to figure out how to keep animals safe from the hazardous acid.
Mauna Loa, which means
Mahalo.
thank you in Hawaiian language.